It's going to be 90 degrees this whole week. That's hot. So let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the ZAFRO Smart Inverter Portable Air Conditioner. This thing is awesome. It has so many amazing features, and it comes with an app. That's right, you can be lazy and change the temperature in bed. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. This is the ZAFRO Smart Inverter Portable Air Conditioner. Powerful inverter cooling with dual hose system, the ZAFRO Smart Inverter Portable Air Conditioner is powered by 2026 upgraded inverter compressor and a dual hose system. This portable air conditioner delivers a high airflow of 500 cubic meters per hour, and ZAFRO's portable air conditioner unit quickly circulates air throughout the room, ensuring even and rapid cooling. The extra mode locks the temperature at 61 degrees Fahrenheit and runs at full power to provide an instant relief during extreme heat, eliminating uneven cooling in hot spots. Energy-saving performance with smart inverter technology. With their inverter portable air conditioner featuring smart inverter technology, this AC unit maintains a stable temperature through precise frequency control, which reduces frequent on and off cycles for optimal energy efficiency. By minimizing wasted energy and delivering consistent cooling exactly as needed, this inverter AC unit achieves a CER of 12.8, which is well above the standard at 7.83, while keeping energy consumption low for all-day operation. With an environmentally conscious design, you can enjoy powerful cooling without unnecessary power draw. 72 hours of drainage-free cooling with self-evaporating system, so say goodbye to manually draining with the self-evaporating condensate system. Moisture from the evaporator is collected and evenly thrown into the condenser through a water slinging wheel where it evaporates naturally. In environments with humidity greater than 90%, the portable AC unit is drainage free for 72 hours. And for extreme humidity under 90%, a drain hose is provided, offering a maintenance-free experience 90% of the time, so you never have to worry about emptying a water tank. Ultra quiet operation with smart sleep mode, so it's designed for peaceful environments. This portable air conditioner operates at as low as 38 decibels, which is quieter than normal conversation. This inverter compressor for reduced vibration, optimized piping to lower resonance. Sleep mode automatically adjusts compressor frequency and fan speed to maintain a stable temperature with ultra quiet, ensuring uninterrupted rest. And with the smart control with enhanced user experience, you get to take full control with the smart ZAFRO app and remote. Their portable AC unit allows you to adjust temperature, switch modes, and set schedules from anywhere. The 24-hour timer lets you set on and off times to match your daily routine, so you can pre-cool the room before arriving home or have the unit shut off automatically during sleeping hours. Additional friendly features include ambient lighting, power off memory, and filter clean reminders for a truly convenient experience. And with the 6 versatile modes of 24-hour timer for custom comfort, the ZAFRO Inverter Portable AC unit designs 6 versatile operating modes: cool, dry, fan, sleep, extra, and eco, letting you adapt to any situation. And while the 24-hour timer adds for flexibility for personalized comfort, combined with their 4-way oscillation that directs airflow both vertically and horizontally, the smart portable AC ensures consistent air circulation and balanced room temperature, keeping every corner of your space comfortably cool. We have worked with ZAFRO in the past, and they make amazing products, and this is just another one that's affecting your air right here in the best way possible. So I gotta say, ZAFRO, wow, great job. As you know, we've worked with ZAFRO in the past, and their products are just always so awesome. They know so much about air, whether they're purifying it or making it cold. They're just great. So we want to give a huge shout out to ZAFRO for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.